Okay, so today we are going to learn how to add clip art pictures to our Word document. So first of all, you should be opened to Google Docs or Microsoft Word. And we're going to go ahead and title the document Clip Art Pictures there at the top, and then go ahead and click off so that it automatically saves. Then we're going to come to this picture icon here, and it says image. So you're going to click image, and we're going to search from the web. So pretty much you can search any picture on Google here and select it, and it will transfer over to your page here. So I am going to search for dog. So I typed in dog, and all of these dog pictures come up. Look how cute. And I am going to select this one. So I click it, and it has a blue check mark here. That lets you know you've checked it. It's one item, and you click insert. And there goes your picture of your dog. So let's try this again. So we're going to go to the image button. Click the image button. Search the web. Now we're going to search for Batman. So we type Batman, press enter. There we go. There's Batman. So select the picture that you would want on your paper. I kind of like this little Batman guy here. So I click him. Make sure there's a blue arrow here to let me know that I've selected him and only him, because it tells me I have one item selected. Then I click insert. So there we go. So we have inserted a picture of a dog, a corgi, and Batman into our clip arts project. And that's how you add pictures to Word documents.